Did you know that with ChatGPT's new image model, you can create more than one image at a time? Let me show you. So if you go to chatgpt.com, you will get to this screen. You may have to log in. And if you expand the sidebar and then you click on images, you will get to the new image area. I have a couple of prompts and I'm going to copy and paste in here. I'll do them one at a time. What the images are of is less important than the fact that I'm going to do multiple images. The way it used to work was you would put in a prompt, wait for an image. I mean, you would have to wait for the image to finish before you could put in the next prompt. It does not work that way anymore. So here is the first prompt, just image of an apple tree. And while that's going, I can now come in here and I can prompt it for something else, of a dark blue sedan. And while that one's going, they're both going, I can prompt it for an image of an ogre. I could not do this before. So now there are 3 prompts in for 3 images, and it is creating them all simultaneously. That means at the same time. And the tree is done. Other ones are still going. But I mean, if you've used ChatGPT and any of the old image models, like I said, you could only create one. They used to take much longer, and it was a very different experience. Made 2 ogres. I don't really know why, but why not? Oh, that's interesting. That's actually a comparison. I didn't ask it for that, so I don't know if that's a new thing they're testing, or I haven't seen that before. That's interesting. It's still working on the sedan, but it says up here with the prompts, it says, image created, and then here, image created. I don't know why. No. And so it says image created, and then you can actually click on it, and it'll go down to wherever the image is. Sedan's taking a while. I mean, I will say this is my free account, so it's probably lower priority with resources. The other account's a business account, which doesn't have the new image model yet. I'm not really sure why, but give this another minute, and I'll either it'll be done or I'll just edit the video so you don't have to wait for this. Okay, well, it's been a few minutes and it's still going, so I don't know if, because this is the free account, if I already hit my image limit. It's possible. I looked here to see if there was any kind of, like you only have 1 image left or 0 images left. I don't see anything, but images don't usually take this long with the new model. But again, I don't know. But the main point of this whole thing was that I could put in multiple prompts for multiple images, and it doesn't wait for one to finish before the next one goes or starts. So just to recap, chatgpt.com, and if you expand the sidebar menu here and you go to images, you can put in prompts for more than 1 image. I don't know what the limit is. Again, this is free account. I put in 3. I did get 3 images, to be fair, but not 3 that I asked for. But either way, you don't have to wait for your image to finish before you can put in your next prompt for an image, or probably for anything else. Try that out if it's interesting to you, and let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.